fix myself a little bit. What are your views? My name is Joanne McLaughlin. I head up the marketing function at Esri Ireland. I also am a part of the leadership team, the Great Place to Work strategy team, and I'm one of the executive coaches on the team as well. I joined in 2006, almost coming up to my 19th year. Marketing needs to be a listening function, and I think we do that very well. Listening inside to what's going on within the organisation and kind of what's going on with customers, and then looking outside to the market to see what the trends are, what the market's saying, how customers are using our technology. I guess we have the opportunity then to storytell on behalf of our clients. For me, that's how we contribute to the work of Esri Ireland and help our customers succeed as well. There's a couple that stand out. One is courage, having the courage to try new things, to be vulnerable, to fail at things, but fail quickly and kind of learn and move on. I would also say the value of connection, so feeling like there's a connection between me and the work that I do, the people that I work with, the customers' work as well, so feeling like I really believe in what we're doing. And I guess integrity, so doing the right thing by each other. I'd say you've made a great decision to join. First and foremost, it's an amazing opportunity for anybody who joins the business because it has such a culture of learning and growth. There's also a real culture of coaching and seeing kind of leaderships at all levels of the business. So there's no kind of hierarchy in terms of where you can go within Esri Ireland. If you put your hand up and you want to take on more responsibility or accountability, there'll be people there to mentor, to help. I think the people are pretty special who work in the business. The care and the authenticity that people have, that's also pretty special. It's very driven and we always challenge each other, and I think the diversity of thought across the business is really good because we've got probably 17 different nationalities from all of the different continents working, a mix of people who've been there for a very long time and then, that are only new in. So I think it's just a really healthy environment. The advice from younger self would be, I'd say probably just chill out a little bit. Don't sweat it, figure it out. Embrace the role, but also have perspective in terms of don't sweat the small stuff as much.